Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a gorgeous 1970 Plymouth Road Runner, factory V code, 446 back, 390 horse, N96 air grabber, real vitamin C car, orange interior, just nice restoration. Still has the original fender tag. K2, vitamin C. Air grabber system does function correctly on it, but it is a nice car. Great attention to detail. You'll find about 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. Love this car. All the chrome trim bright work on the car. It's extremely nice. We are located in Fenton, Missouri, which is the suburbs of St. Louis. We're about 30 minutes from the international airport or downtown where the Arch Bush Stadium is. If you'd like to fly out and check this car out in person, just forward us your flight itinerary and we'll be more than happy to pick you up. Take you in one of our 3 warehouses. We'll take the car out for a ride, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. We do have financing for these cars, so you do not need to have all the money. Great terms, great rates. We can provide transportation. I should say we can accommodate. We do it as a courtesy service. Transportation anywhere in the world. Just nice straight car, all the chrome trim, bright work. It's like a mirror-like reflection on it. Paint's deep shine to it. All the corner windows, fantastic shape. Package tray there in the back. Just a nice car. Underneath is super clean. Shows extremely well. Key buzzer still works on it. We just got the car in and did notice that the gas gauge was working. It is not now, so that's something we will address. And the factory radio does have the original owner's manual, but just a nice car. There's a couple little tears right there, and this appears to be the original seats in the car. All the seat belts are there. Dash is in fantastic shape. This car is a strong running car. Drip rails. Did see, I think there was, no, that was just a little mark. I thought that was a little chip, but it just appears to be a little road grime. There was a tiny chip right there. We do have the correct touch-up paint. We will touch that up. Yeah, this is just a really nice car. correct Rosetta rivets. Take this for a ride. Little Roadrunner horn. Everybody's gotta love the beep beep. Watch the air grabbers system on it. It's vacuum operated. Just got this in, so we'll go through it, do a full service on it. Again, you'll find close to 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com, www.westportautocenter.com. We're in Fenton, Missouri, which is the suburbs of St. Louis. Pick up the phone. Call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name's Mark. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. We welcome, encourage third-party inspections. We'll accommodate them, no problem at all. Again, if you'd like to come out yourself, we'd be more than happy to pick you up from the airport, take you to any one of our 3 warehouses, and take the car out for a ride. Again, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. Do have financing for all these cars, but this is a original vitamin C factory V code 446 pack car, which is a pretty rare car, pretty cool car. Pulls hard. Vitamin C orange, one of the best colors out there. We got it. Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri. Call 314-346-6039. Thanks for watching.